Hello everyone, welcome to my channel deutschdecodewithyashvi. This is Yashvi Chaurasi and today we are at Lektion 7, lesson number 7, and we will be learning Sein and Haben form. Also we will be learning the Endung rule, because if we have to learn the Haben form, we have to know the Endung rule. So let's begin. Ich habe, ich, du, er, sie, es are the personal pronouns. So if you want to revise it, you can just visit my previous lesson. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Er, sie, es ist, he, she, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you all are. Sie and sie sind. Sie is the formal sie, either it can be singular or plural, and the second sie is they, third person plural, and the first sie with the capital, it's formal, second person singular or plural. Again, for this you can visit my previous lesson. Sein is always used for going somewhere or becoming something different, if you're moving from one position to a different position. So it's that. And I've also breaked into singular and plural, because in my previous lesson I've also breaked it down for singular and plural. Ich bin, I am. Du bist. Er, sie, es ist. He, she, it is. That was singular and plural. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you all are. Sie and sie sind, they are. So Sein is always moving from position A to position B. So that's the Sein form. Anytime if you observe anything moving from position A to position B, you would always use the Sein form. And the Haben form is always stationary. It doesn't move anywhere. And so let's get some examples for the Sein. Ich bin Yashvi, I am Yashvi. Du bist Julia, you are Julia. Er ist Smack, he is Smack. Sie ist Emma, she is Emma. Wir sind Freund, we are friends. Ihr seid intelligent, you are intelligent. Sie sind dumm, they are dumb. And let's begin the Endung rule. So, trinken, before we just go through this table, I would make it easier for you guys. Trinken, the whole word, it's an infinitive verb, and the trink, T-R-I-N-K, that's the root verb. So en would be conjugated. It should be conjugated. For example, ich trinke, du trinkst. So the en is being conjugated as per the personal pronouns. And now we can refer the table. Ich, then we have to write the root verb. So the root verb is trinken, T-R-I-N-K. The root verb is trink. Then we have to just add e to it. E. Then do, root verb plus st, trinkst. Then er, sie, es is root verb, T-R-I-N-K plus t, trink. Wir, it's we, root verb is T-R-I-N-K plus en. Ihr, the root verb is trink plus t. Sie and sie, root verb is trink, T-R-I-N-K plus en. So sie and wir, they have the same endung, which is infinitive verb, and ihr and er, sie, es has the same ending, which is t. Just remember that. So here is some example if you have to make a sentence. Ich trinke Bier, I drink beer. So here the e is T-R-I-N-K-E. Du trinkst Wein. So the root verb is T-R-I-N-K plus st. Er trinkt Saft. He drinks soft drink. Sie drinks soft drink. We're drinking tea. We are drinking tea. You are drinking coffee. You're drinking coffee. Sie trinken Suppe. They are drinking soup. So, Haben form. So, for Haben, the ending rule has two exceptions, which is for du and RZS. So first, again, I'll explain you. Haben, it's in an infinitive state, which is an infinitive verb, haben. But when we have to conjugate, we will conjugate the en. But again, there is an exception for do and RZS. And hab, it's the root verb. So let's see how it should be conjugated. Ich habe, it's I have. Du hast, so it's not du habst. It's not that. So B has been eliminated. These two are exceptions. You have to remember that because many times we make this common mistakes. So just remember that. RZS hat. It's not habt for RZS. This was singular. We'll move to plural. Wir haben. We have. So it's the root verb plus en. Ihr habt, again, root verb plus t. Sie and sie haben, root verb plus t. This is in an infinitive form. These two are always similar in Sein and Haben form as well. But in Sein form, we had other two similarity was ihr and RZS. So here I'll show you again. For RZS and ihr, we had the T ending. But in Haben, we have only two similarities for wir and Z. For du and RZS, there are two exceptions. RZS is hat and du is hast. So remember that. The B would be eliminated again. So for any stationary position, we use haben, doing something without changing a place or state. We always use haben. Let's refer to some examples. Ich habe ein Laptop. I have one laptop. Du hast ein Handy. You have a cell phone. Er hat ein Buch. He has a book. Or he has one book. Sie hat ein Buch. She has a book or she has one book. Either or. Wir haben ein Prüfung. We are having an exam. Ihr habt ein Party. You all are doing party or you all are having a party. Sie haben ein Hund. They have a dog. So if you have any doubts, you can comment it down below. I'll make it sure that I reach out to each and every comment. Also, you can join my WhatsApp community group. You can either join my Telegram channel or my Instagram page. The links are given below. And if you have any other doubts, you can also email me. So, Dankeschön. Thank you very much.